I'm Michael Waltrip, two-time Daytona 500 champion and co-owner of Michael Waltrip Racing. Just a few years ago, MWR was a brand new Sprint Cup team, struggling to get off the ground. In those early years, we took a few bumps and overcame our fair share of adversity. But ultimately, with determination, teamwork, and the right equipment, we raced our way right into the chase for the Sprint Cup. Racing is a team sport, and one of our most important team members is our Jet Edge Waterjet. Thanks to Jet Edge, we're able to take design improvements to the racetrack weeks faster, and that makes us a force to be reckoned with. In fact, our Jet Edge is so critical, we asked them to build us another one. Tom German is our Chief Technical Officer, and he's going to tell us more about how Jet Edge has helped take us to victory lane.
Michael, the Jet Edge is a powerful system. Every year we cut thousands of parts for our 3 Sprint Cut teams. We're cutting engine mounts, suspension components, steering supports, ductwork, crush panels, windows, and hundreds of splitters. The splitters alone save us over $120,000 a year. More important than reducing expenses, the Jet Edge saves us time. We deliver performance improvements to the racetrack faster and protect our competitive advantage by keeping the work in-house.
That's awesome, Tom. Tell us about our new Jet Edge.
Michael, this is the new Jet Edge X5. It is equipped with a 5-axis head for cutting beveled and taper-free parts and a 3-axis head for cutting standard parts. Powered by a 100 horsepower Jet Edge hydraulic intensifier pump, water is pressurized to 55,000 psi, mixed with abrasive, and then forced through a diamond orifice, creating an abrasive water jet that cuts through just about everything.
Man, this machine really looks solid.
It is. Like our other Jet Edge, the Edge X5 is built to provide years of reliable service. To maintain precision and accuracy, the motion system is separate from the cutting table. The construction is rock solid, and the motion components are protected with metal covers and seals.
I can imagine that 5-axis is really going to be useful.
It is. We will be able to reduce taper on parts, cut bevels, and other intricate parts. Our engineers are excited about having this new capability.
Believe me, us drivers and pit crews cannot wait to see what you come up with. How about let's cut something? Hey, what did we make today? Wow, that is awesome. Thanks. Cheers. If you're looking for a new water jet system, you need to talk to Jet Edge. They build a great machine and their service is second to none. To learn more, visit jetedge.com or call your local sales rep. Hey, do we have any more of these? I really like it.